BibiZoneTV. Let's start our magical ABC adventure. A letter. Here comes the amazing letter A. This is big A, and this is small a. A is for apple. Apple. Come on, sweeties. Let's take a bite of an apple or sip some apple juice. So yummy. Can you say it with me? A, apple. Great job, little learner. B letter. Let's bounce to the next letter. It's B. Big B, small b. B is for bus. B, bus. Come on, my dear friends, let's imitate the sound of the bus together. Woo! Wow, that's a great sound. Say it loud. B, bus. Brilliant. C letter. C letter. Coming next is the cuddly letter C. Big C, small c. C is for cat. See, cat? Look, the cat is jumping and purring. Meow. Can you meow like a cat? Meow. Now say it with me. C, cat. Cool cat skills. D letter. D letter. Do you know which letter this is? It's D. Big D, small d. D is for dog. D, dog. Here comes a happy puppy. Woof, woof. Can you bark like a dog? Woof, woof. Now say it. D, dog. Delightful. E letter. Excellent. It's time for letter E. Big E, small e. Shh, listen. What's that amazing sound? Can you guess? Great job. It's an elephant. Wow, it's so big. E is for elephant. E, elephant. Can you make an elephant sound? Now say it with me. E, elephant. Epic job. Fantastic. F letter. Let's find the letter F. Big F, small f. F is for fish. F, fish. Look, the fish is swimming in the blue sea. Let's swim with it. Swish, swish. Can you do the fish face? Now say it with me. F, fish. Fabulous. G letter. Get ready for the groovy letter G. This is a big G and this is a small g. G is for grape. G, good grape. Come on, sweeties. Let's taste the grape juice. How do you like it? Is it yummier than grapes? Say it with me. G, grape. Great job, superstar. H letter. Hooray! It's time for letter H. Big H, small h. H is for hat. H, hat. Let's try on funny hats together. Which hat do you like best? Now say it with me. H, hat. Happy learning. I letter. Imagine what comes next. The letter I is for ice cream. Big I, small I. Ice cream. Cold and sweet. Can you pretend to eat one? Yummy. What's your favorite flavor? Vanilla? Chocolate? Let's say it together. Ice cream. Great job. J letter. Jumping in now, the letter J. J is for jam. Big J, small j. Jam. Sweet and sticky. Can you pretend to spread some jam on toast? Yum, yum. That looks tasty. Let's say it together. J, jam. You're doing awesome. K letter. Keep going. It's the letter K. K is for kangaroo. Big K, small K, K, kangaroo. Hopping so high? Can you hop like a kangaroo? Boing, boing, boing. Let's count the hops. 1, 2, 3. Say it with me. K, kangaroo. Wow, that was fun. L letter. Look here, the letter L. L is for lion. Big L, small L, L, lion. So loud and brave. Can you roar like a lion? Let's try together. Roar. That was a mighty roar. Say it loud. L, lion. You're a superstar. M letter. Magical. It's the letter M. M is for mouse. Big M, small m. M, mouse. So tiny and quick. Can you squeak like a little mouse? Let's say it together. M, mouse. That was cute. N letter. Next up is the letter N. N is for newt. Big N, small n. N, newt. A cool little lizard. Can you crawl like a newt? Wiggle, wiggle. Say it with me. N, newt. Nice job. O letter. Open your eyes for the letter O. O is for octopus. Big O, small o. O, octopus with 8 wriggly arms. Can you wiggle your arms like an octopus? That's super fun. Say it out loud. O, octopus. Outstanding. Perfect. P letter. Now it's the letter P. P is for pear. Big P, small p. P, pear. So sweet and juicy. Can you pretend to take a bite? Munch, munch. Let's say it together. P, pear. Yay! You're learning so fast. Q letter. Quick, look, it's the letter Q. Q is for queen. Big Q, small q. Q, queen. She wears a shiny crown. Can you wave like a queen or a king? Let's say it together. Q, queen. Quite royal. R letter. Ready for the letter R? R is for rabbit. Big R, small r. R, rabbit. Look at those long ears. Can you hop like a rabbit? Boing, boing. Let's say it together. R, rabbit. Really great. S letter. Say hello to the letter S. S is for sun. Big S, small s. S, sun. So warm and bright. Can you shine like the sun? Glow, glow. Let's say it together. S, sun. Super sunny. T letter. Time for the letter T. T is for turtle. Big T, small t, T, turtle. It walks slowly and carries its home. Can you crawl like a turtle? Slow and steady. Let's say it together. T, turtle. Terrific. U letter. Up next, it's the letter U. U is for umbrella. Big U, small u, U, umbrella. It keeps us dry in the rain. Can you open your umbrella? Let's say it together. U, umbrella. Useful and unique. Very nice. V letter? It's the letter V. V is for violin. Big V, small v. V violin. Let's play a sweet song. Can you pretend to play the violin? Say it with me. V, violin. Very beautiful music. W letter? Wow, here comes the letter W. W is for whale. Big W, small w. W, whale. It swims in the deep blue sea. Can you make a whale sound? Let's say it together. Whale. Wonderful whale. X letter. X marks the spot. It's the letter X. X is for xylophone. Big X, small x. X xylophone. Let's tap the colorful bars. Can you play the xylophone with your fingers? Say it with me. X, xylophone. Excellent. Y letter. Yay! It's the letter Y. Y is for yak. Big Y, small y. Y, yak. It has big, fluffy hair. Can you make a yak sound? Let's say it together. Y, yak. You're doing great. Z letter. Zoom. It's the last letter. Z. Z is for zebra. Big Z, small z. Z, zebra. It has black and white stripes. Can you gallop like a zebra? Say it with me. Z, zebra. Zippity zoo. We did it. Awesome job, little learners. You've learned all the letters from A to Z. Give yourself a big clap. Which letter was your favorite? Watch this video again and again. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and join us for more fun and learning on BibiZoneTV. See you next time. Bye-bye.